A Buy X, Get Y offer, which means shoppers buy one product and receive another item either for free or at a discount, is one of the simplest ways to increase conversions and sales on Shopify. As you may know, Shopify has a built-in discount for this. It can create the rule just fine, but there's a problem. It can't add the gift to the cart for your customer automatically. They have to find product Y and add it themselves. And honestly, this may cause friction that leads to decreased conversion rates. Let's fix that. Here's the offer I am running. Buy a polka dot shirt jacket and get a bandana free. I'll add the jacket to my cart and look, a free bandana automatically added to the cart. Or, if you'd like, you can let customers choose their own favorite color instead. I'm Ruby, and today I'll walk you through the complete setup using BOGOS free gift, bundle, and upsell. It is one of Shopify's most trusted promotion apps, used by more than 92,000 brands and rated 5 stars. In the final section, I'll also introduce several other apps you can consider. First, open the BOGOS free gift bundle upsell app from your Shopify admin. Click Create Offer, choose Gift Offer, and then pick the Buy X, Get Y template to optimize your time. Add an offer name, just for you to manage it internally, then fill in the offer title, which is what your customers actually see. And schedule it if you want. Now head to the offer's main condition. First, select Product X, the item customers need to buy. Then set the number of products required. I'll set mine to 1. If you want to do the offer like, buy any 3 from a collection, get a free gift, under the condition will apply to choose product in selected collection. Now scroll to Select Gifts and choose the product as gift you want. Next, in How the customer will receive, choose Automatically add all gifts to auto-add the gift to the cart. To let customers choose their own gift, select multiple products as gift options. Then scroll up, deselect Automatically add all gifts, and select Number of gifts customers will receive. Finally, enter how many gifts each customer can choose. Next is the gift discount type. Following the 2 use cases I mentioned at the beginning, choose percentage and set it to 100% off. That's your Buy X, Get Y free. Or set it to a specific number, for example, 50%, to run a classic Buy X, Get Y discount. Once it looks good in the summary section, hit Publish to make your offer go live. Now, I will introduce 2 other options for creating Shopify Buy X, Get Y on Shopify, including AOV.ai and EcomRise. Each app has its pros and cons, so check them carefully to grab the one that best suits your demand. For more details, please check the comparison video I put in the description. That's how you set up a Buy X, Get Y auto add to cart offer on Shopify with a live demo on the BOGOS free gift bundle upsell app. Thanks for watching. Comment what setup guide you'd like next, and I'll see you in that video.